Welcome to Opulence School of Education and Junior College, Mandwe. My name is Swapnil Khernar, your maths teacher. With years of experience, I have learned that teaching is not about lessons or chapters. It is about instilling values, shaping lives of our students. So in Opulence, we gather here. Please pay attention that to students, we are going to learn today parallel lines. So tell me students, what is this? Blackboard. It is a plane surface. It is a plane surface. So we call it as a plane. We call it as a plane. Now tell me Masira, stand up. What these lines call? Parallel lines. These are two parallel lines. Now sit down. Let me name it as P, Q and X, Y. Now we are going to learn parallel lines and transversals. So students, transversal is nothing but a line segments which intersect two parallel lines in two distinct points. So these two parallel lines, if we draw one line segment in these two parallel lines, then this line is called as transversal. What we call it as? Transversal. Very good. Intersect these two parallel lines in two distinct points. Okay. So there forms angles. You know the angles. There forms different types of angles. How many angles are there formed? 8. How many angles? 8. There are 8 types of angles. There are 8 types of angles. The angles are different types of angles. There are 3 types of these angles. First one is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are nothing but the angles which corresponds to each other. Let me name it as A, B, C, D, E, F. If angle A is corresponds to angle E, angle D is corresponds to angle H. Very good. Angle H. Okay. Now tell me Vaishnavi, angle C is corresponds to which angle? Angle G. Very good. And angle, which angle is remaining? Angle B is corresponds to angle, tell me you. Angle B is corresponds to angle F. So there are 4 types of corresponding angles. Now we are going to learn one more type of these angles. The second type is interior angles. Second type is interior angles. Okay. Now look at the definition of. Now listen carefully. Interior angles are angles which are in internal of those parallel lines. Which are internal of those parallel lines. So which angles are internal in parallel lines? Angle D, angle C. Okay, these are interior angles. Okay, so tell me which angle is interior for angle D? Angle E. Angle D and angle E. Angle C and angle angle C and angle. There are 2 types of interior. Now third type. Third type is alternate angles. Alternate angles. Alternate angles are angles which are opposite to each other. Which are opposite. Take the meaning of and listen it carefully. Opposite. Opposite means cross. They are cross. So alternate angle, there are also 2 types of angles. In alternate angles, there are also 2 subtopics of these angles. First one is interior alternate angles. Interior alternate angles. And second one is exterior alternate angles. Interior alternate angles. Now look at me. Interior alternate. I have told you that what is the meaning of interior. Okay. So now tell me What is the meaning of interior alternate? Interior alternate means in interior angles, but they are alternate means cross. Okay? Interior means there are four types of interior angles. Which are they? D, C, E, but alternate. So tell me, angle D is alternate to which angle? Angle. So angle D is alternate to angle. Angle C is alternate to angle. Okay. Now tell me that what is our exterior alternate angle? Exterior means which are out of these parallel lines. Though out of these parallel lines means there are also four right angles. Which are they? A, B, H and G. So tell me which is alternate angle of A? Exterior alternate angle G. And now you can tell me, Pragati, which is alternate angle of B? Very good, angle H. So we have learned that we draw two parallel lines and one transversal, then there forms 8 types of different angles. This transversal intersect this parallel line in two different points and there forms 8 types of different angles. Those angles are corresponding angles, interior angles, alternate angles, and also in alternate angles there are also two types, interior alternate and exterior alternate angles. We have seen two parallel lines and one transversal. Now I am going to ask you some questions. So first of all, Ovi, please stand up, come here, take this chalk and draw here two parallel lines. Draw one transversal. Name that parallel lines and transversal. Very good. Now there forms how many types of angles? 8 types of angles. Name that angles. Now write interior angles. Now name that angles. Very good. Very good. Very good. Sit down. Now name the angles which are corresponding angles. Very good. Name the remaining angles. Very good. Very good. So today we have learned that two parallel lines and one transversal, and angles formed by this transversal, there are different types of angles. So students, you understand all of you? Very good. So next lecture we are going to see the properties of these angles. So to see these types of educational videos, please subscribe our channel Opulence School of Education and please like and share. Thank you.